In this video, I wanted to show you how to add content to your Google site. You can see I have a site started here called My Site, and I want to add some things to my site. You can do this in several different ways. The first way that I'm going to show you is using the sidebar. So here I have a few initial options, and then if you scroll down, you can see some more options related to Google Drive and Google Docs. So if I just want to add some text, I can insert a text box, and then I can add in the text as usual. With your text, you have a few different options, so I can make it title text, and then I can also change the alignment. I can also, in normal text, change whether it's bold, italic, and make lists and also hyperlink things to my text. If you don't want your text box or your thing there anymore, you can always trash it by clicking on the trash can. Also related to text boxes is the palette on the side. This is actually for any section that you add. If you click on that, you can change what your emphasis is. So in this case, I'm going to click on that one, and that shows it blue. You can also add in an image if you want an image to go behind your content. A few other things that you can do. You can add in images right away. You can add file uploads, and you can use embed URLs. This one usually is a little particular, and so you probably only want to use embed URLs from Google Tools for now. That's still something that I'm hoping gets an update soon. Another way that you can add in information into your site is by pulling it from your drive. You can also pull a drive folder if you want. Or you can do these individually by going down to the bottom where it says Google Docs and then selecting which one that you want to embed. So if I want to embed some slides, I'm going to click on that, and it's going to access my drive. So if you want to add in content, make sure you're in the right drive. So I want to add in, let's say this one, and it says one item is selected. I can do multiple items at once if I want. I'm going to click Insert. Now we'll add in my slide presentation. Once you add it in, I can move it around. It gives me some nice guideline bars if I want to see that. Here it is in the middle now. I can also change the size by using the blue circles that show up after I click on it. And again, you can change the emphasis if you want to change how it looks on the screen. And as you click on things that you've added in, there are usually different settings based on what you've added. In this case, it is going to give me auto start and typical slide options. The thing in the middle that you may have noticed were Google embeds. You can embed things from other Google apps, such as YouTube, Calendar, and Maps, if you want. These are things that are particular. Again, they'll read your account. So if I want to add in a video, I'm going to click on YouTube. I can search YouTube for a video, and this is something that's really cool, is I can also just upload things to my drive, not have to make them on YouTube, and then I can choose things there. You'll also notice that, as you can see from all my tips videos, things that I put on YouTube also show up when I look at uploaded. So I know that a lot of times we don't want to publish them in YouTube. We just want to put them in our drive, and this works for that as well. So again, like before, you can move it around if you want to move it, and you can resize it. For videos, there are a couple of different options. And really, again, they're back at the YouTube options. All the different apps have different options, and you'll want to explore those as you start creating your own site. So that's how to add information to your site using the sidebar. Another way that you can add information is if you double-click anywhere in your page, it will give you a pop-up that gives you a few of the options that are available to you. So if I double click up here, there you can see the drive one. Those features work exactly the same as if you get them from the sidebar or using the double click, and it really is just a personal preference as to how you like to use those. As you continue adding content, don't forget that you can always move it around. I can move my video to go up next to my slides, and it really makes it very, very easy to edit your sites now that Google Site has had its awesome new upgrade.